Today we're going to take the F100 for a rip to the junkyard, pull off some parts for a couple of different projects, see what else we can find. Already got a bunch of tools loaded up. I'll meet you at the junkyard right after this. Alright, I'm in the junkyard. Gotta pull some parts today. I just took pulleys off of this. I think they'll work for the 48 Willys. Next I'm gonna jump on this one, pull out the pedal assembly so I can try to put a manual transmission in the, I don't know what we call it, the church van, I guess. I already got the pulleys off of this. We're gonna get that, see how long that takes. If anything interesting happens, I'll bring it back in. Okay, so I got the 4 nuts off of the back of the master cylinder. Looks like I might have to drop the steering column to get to the rest of the bolts. I looked in another truck that I was already missing everything. Kind of cheated a little bit. So now I gotta figure out how all this comes apart. I've never had one of these trucks before, so it should be interesting. And then I can drop the steering column down and see what I'm working with. Right, you guys, I finally got the pedal assembly out. I did have to drop the steering column. Luckily somebody had been messing around in there already and had some of the bolts loose. Once I got that out of the way, I was able to see where everything was attached. Got it out of there. Hopefully it'll fit in that van. I think it will. If not, we'll make it fit. I'll just give you guys a little idea of what's sitting around here. There's a bunch of Broncos, F-150s. There's a square body down there. There's this C30 here. It's pretty cool, kind of rough. There's a C20 down here. That actually looks savable. I don't know what the story is on that. They got a bunch of old truck doors and stuff around here too. I'm gonna go look around a little more, see what else I can find. Okay, I'm in the F100 headed back to Carburetor Springs. Once we get there, I'll kind of show you what I got. Be there in a little bit. See you then. Okay, here's what I picked up from the junkyard. Got the clutch pedal assembly and a clutch master cylinder for this van right here. So I can try to put a 5-speed in it. Will it work? I don't know. I'll have to tear it all apart and figure it out, like I do everything. Then I got these pulleys for the 48 Willys Jeep. They probably won't work like they are, so I'm gonna have to modify them. But when you have nothing, you use what you can find, and that's what we're gonna make work. Okay, we're in the garage with the Willys Jeep. Here's the pulleys I just got. These pulleys were off of a Chevy. It's the only thing I had to put on there to try and figure out if anything's gonna work. This has 2 grooves on that water pump pulley. This one's only 1 groove. It's gonna set back a little bit farther. Here's the crank pulley. As you can see, that one spot's a little dented. But really I only need this groove. So I think what I might do is end up cutting the rest of it off. I'll figure that out when I get to that part, but once I can make these fit, then it shouldn't be too hard to make an alternator work somehow. I have to make up some brackets, but I'm sure I can do it. Well, as always, thanks for hanging out at Van Gogh Garage in Little Carburetor Spring, Colorado. Thanks for watching. Bye.